get your followers up. It's time to get your followers up. Let's get your Clubhouse followers all the way up. Hey, what's up? I'm Erica Rasha and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. And today we're going to be talking about how to grow on Clubhouse. Clubhouse, the new app that's taking the world by storm. Let's get your followers up. So everybody wants to know, how should they be growing their followers on Clubhouse? Currently, I have 1.1 thousand followers on Clubhouse, and honestly, I fell off. At one point, I was gaining followers uncontrollably, and then I had to get off Clubhouse because I was addicted. If you're not exactly sure what Clubhouse is, then make sure you check out the cards above so that you can watch my video on what the heck is Clubhouse anyway. But Clubhouse had your girl on there 24/7, and I had to dip. I was just learning too much. I was learning too much, so I had to go. I wasn't getting nothing done, but I was just learning. So I had to get off Clubhouse, and so that's when I started realizing that my Clubhouse followers started to get stagnant. So that is tip number one to growing your followers on Clubhouse, making sure that you are regularly using the platform. You can't grow on Clubhouse by not being on Clubhouse. You have to get on Clubhouse and use the platform. Tip number two for growing your followers on Clubhouse is simple. Provide value. When you are in a Clubhouse room, when you are speaking, making sure that you're not just saying something just because. Unless this is an opinion-based room, which I do on Thursdays for small content creators at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Small Creator Convo, please join us. But if it's not opinion-based chat, then I'm gonna need you to sit this one out, dog. Because that ain't gonna help you. But if it's something that you can add a value of substance to the conversation, then that's when you come in and you start dropping your gems. And you can definitely come off real phony on Clubhouse, and we starting to peak. So please, don't come with no just Google information. Come with legitimate gems. Google gems ain't hitting no more. We need legit gems.
Please! Please!
So speak about something that you know about. Social media is my lead. I really don't know about like NASCAR, so I'm not gonna go jump in a room in NASCAR and be like, oh, and I just read that Tom Brady is now going to NASCAR. Like, what? I don't even know what that means. Like, you know, like, so I'm gonna let them have it. I'm gonna let them have it. And so that's another thing, is that a lot of people mess up is they just jump into conversations because the only thing that they're trying to do is grow on Clubhouse. So they're just getting into as many conversations as possible, and they're jumping in and out of conversations and just getting on stage and saying stuff, and that doesn't work. That's phony. That's not going to help you grow followers. Tip number three, stay in your lane. So like I said before, if you don't know what's going on, like I said, I'm not jumping in no NASCAR room. You shouldn't either. Stay in your lane, and if there's nobody else that has a room in your lane, then create that room. That's where we miss out on those opportunities at. So for me, I talk about social media marketing. There's a lot of rooms on Clubhouse about social media marketing, Instagram growth, TikTok, YouTube growth. There's a lot of rooms that are geared towards micro and nano influencers and content creators, but there wasn't any rooms that I was seeing that allowed nano creators to come and talk about their experiences. So I created a club, Small Creator Big Influence, and I started having rooms that were literally for small content creators to come in and share their opinions and their experiences and ask questions to other small creators who were in their shoes or been there before, those questions that they wanted to have, and just an honest to God safe space to have conversation and build community. And it's done wonders for me, and not only just for me, but it's helped others. That's what I mean by staying in your lane. So I'm still able to talk about social media stuff, but I'm able to work with the group of people that I feel like I want to work with. I do social media for small content creators. I do social media for small accounts. I'm not here to tell you how to get 50 million subscribers and show you how to get 100,000 followers. I'm just here to talk to small content creators, and that's what I stayed in my lane, and that's what I'm doing. And so I guess that's tip number four, where if you feel like your avenue is not on Clubhouse, then create one. This is an app where you can literally start a room about whatever, and people from all over the world will join it. And 9 times out of 10, like this is where having a niche, a random niche, can be okay for you. Like where, you know, people tell you don't niche down too much. This is that opportunity where you can can try those niches that are super small and see if they work. Try it out. If you want to start a room on talking about just yellow Pokemon on Clubhouse, that might actually work, and you can do that. On YouTube, that might be too niche, but on Clubhouse, that could work, and people will join just because out of pure curiosity. Number 5, make sure that your bio is clean and clear, and that you're telling everybody what you do, what you talk about, what you're interested in, because people will hear you on stage and then they will go read your bio and see, is this somebody is worth following? Because that's another thing, is that one, Clubhouse is limited now, the number of people that you're able to follow. I think you're only able to follow 1.5k, but also the people who you follow dictate the type of rooms that you get. So people want to make sure that they're following the right people so that they don't have a whole bunch of random rooms. And that comes back to staying in your lane, because if you're all over the place, then you're messing up somebody's feed, and guess what? They're going to unfollow you. And that is why these follow for follow rooms and follow train rooms don't work. But honestly and truly, why do you care? Why do you really want to have 50,000 Clubhouse followers? Why do you want all these Clubhouse followers? Oh wait, what's the point? Clubhouse isn't paying creators yet. Clubhouse didn't say that, oh, once you have 5,000 followers, you get a blue check. It's just a number. So just get on Clubhouse, provide your value, stay in your lane, and you'll do fine. You're doing amazing, sweetie. I gotta insert the gift. But don't worry about the Clubhouse followers. It's just a number right now. But when they start saying that, oh, you need X, Y, and Z to do this, trust me, I will come back and I will give y'all the tea about it. But for now, just stay in your lane and love what you're doing and just have fun with it. Because it's a new app, we don't have to get all worked up like how we do Instagram and YouTube and stuff. So just have fun. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way through, then I really do appreciate you. My name is Erica Rasha. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at Erica Rasha and on Clubhouse. Also, join us on Clubhouse at Small Creator Big Influence. That's my club on Clubhouse where we talk all things small content creator. I will catch you in the next one. But while you're here, you might as well watch these videos right here. YouTube recommends them for you. And yeah, I will see you in the next vid. Bye.